Hi everyone, I just thought I would show you what I just got in the post from VIP Reading. Now I am the official illustrator for VIP Reading, and they've sent me the first box. Now you can subscribe to these boxes. They're lovely, they're just the right size, or recyclable, etc. No plastic anywhere, which is fantastic. And in the first box that you can order one-off or you can subscribe. They are bi-monthly, I believe. There's all the info, VIP Reading. This is not a paid for advert, by the way. I just think it's blooming brilliant. And Rob, who organises all this, is amazing. So the May theme is magic. So you get your little introduction. You get a letter from the author illustrator who has got their book in the box. So this month in May, it's me, with Big Ear Bob, of course. There's a nice little introductory letter from me. You get Skittles. Woohoo! While you're reading the book, you can munch on those. You get, again, no plastic. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And Bob is brushing his teeth over there with the chew. You get a signed, actually, this is an old one. I have drawn a little genie on the ones that you will order. You get a beautifully wrapped copy of the book. Nice. You get a VIP bookworm postcard, and you get lots of exclusive activity sheets. So obviously this month, it is, or this 2 months, it is Genie and Teeny themed, and you even get a VIP Reading pencil. How good is that? So yeah, you can find VIP everything online. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, and they're on Twitter. So get ordering, and if you order from now, you will also get a signed book plate from me as well, of a copy of Genie and Teeny, which came out yesterday, you might have realised, because I was yabbering on about it all day because I'm too excited. Okay, there you go. So there you go, VIP Reading. Get yours ordered.